Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I talked about Ecomi and we reviewed Ecomi, and today I just wanted to kind of bring an update on this and talk about how it's been reacting in the recent bleeding of the markets. Pretty much 90% of altcoins have gone down about 50%, which is obviously a massive dip. Some like Reef have held up relatively well because of their mainnet launch coming soon. But we can see that Ecomi in the last 7 days has gone from highs of $0.08 all the way down to the lowest at 0.005. So we can see that it's fallen almost 50%, and in the last month Ecomi's gone from highs of 0.012 all the way down to 0.005. So it's fallen 70%, 80%, which is a massive fall. On the 3 month, on the all-time chart, if we take a look at the all-time chart, we can see that it first kind of came into connection at 2021, February 20th, and it's gone from 0.002 up to highs of 0.01, so about a 6 times increase, 600%. And since then it's petered out a bit, and since the very start its release, we can see that it's public release, not private release. It's gone up about 300% now, and anything I say in this video should not be taken as grounds to invest because I'm not a financial advisor. But I think Ecomi's been on my watch list for a while. I own CHZ, that is also performing in a similar way to Ecomi, but I've never really been tempted to invest in Ecomi because I feel like I missed the boat. Now currently I'm not a holder and I don't plan on buying anytime soon, but I think as an outsider who's been watching this is the most attractive time for me. It's been to enter this crypto. So this crypto is involved in the NFT space. They have their digital collectible marketplace called VV, where you can buy and sell NFTs. They've got some great partnerships where there's going to be unique NFTs you can buy and sell on there. Currently the marketplace is having a bit of problems. I believe they're not doing enough frequent drops, and sometimes the transactions aren't going through. We can see it's available on Ascend, Bit4x, Uniswap, and they've recently released their wallet. Obviously, the more transactions that happen on Ecomi, the more tokens are burnt, the higher demand for OMI COIN, and all stuff like that. So obviously, the more this marketplace has great offerings and uses their great partnerships to sell cool NFTs, the more people are going to want to buy these NFTs. The more people want to buy these NFTs, the more demand there is for the OMI COIN. The more demand there is for the coin to buy, NFTs, the higher transactions there's going to be, the more OMI is burnt, and obviously the more demanding because they're selling cool stuff, and that would lead to higher demand, lower supply as time goes on, and that would ultimately send, via the basic economics laws of supply and demand, in theory, OMI coin up to the moon. So what is going to send it to the moon is just transactions. Now, I think obviously there was a lot of hype around NFTs which saw this massive rise, and that's what happened, but it's since fizzled out. And I think if you look at the market cap, it's about $1 billion. Its fully diluted market cap is about 4.5 billion. There's really not that many circulating supply coins currently, only 22%. That's on the lower end of circulating supplies I've seen. Personally, I like it when the circulating supply is almost fully in action, because it means there's going to be less supply in the future, that sort of thing. Its market rank has gone to 213. At times I've seen that at 150, I believe. And in the recent day, it's gone up 1%, and fully diluted market cap up 1%. Trading volumes down 54%, which is, quite a big decrease, but I think that's kind of in trend with the general market currently, especially after the blood markets calmed down a bit. So we can see that Ecomi, we know what's going to send it to the moon. We know what the current deal is. The biggest question is it currently over or undervalued? How many transactions are taking place in the marketplace? Are NFTs truly the future? They're the sort of questions I'd ask myself before investing. And I think personally, I'm not going to get involved for the moment. My wallet's expended, the bloodbath's killed me, but I'm very tempted to monitor it for long terms and just see what happens with it. I think it's got a lot of hype around it. They need to fix the marketplace, and I think they're in the process of doing that. And if we take a look at the recent news for Ecomi Price, we can see there's no real big news. So following up on the review we did the other day, there's no real news other than it's been following the general altcoin market trend of decreasing massively in the recent weeks. Let me know what you think of Ecomi coin down in the description below or /comments below, and I'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching this update.
All up in my head, that's how I behave. Passing up the same, waking up the same. All up in my head, that's just how I behave. How I behave.